let me show you how to optimize the mobile version of your site. To switch to the mobile editor, click the phone icon in the top bar. And here we can scroll through and see how the mobile version of our site looks. Making changes on mobile does not impact the way the desktop version looks, and vice versa. You can adjust anything just like you would in the main desktop editor. In fact, there's actually a shortcut for the mobile version here. You can click on any section and click Auto Fix Layout in the floating toolbar. And there, it'll give you a version that's a little bit tighter for mobile. Sometimes it does goofy things though, so you may want to double check and feel free to undo if it didn't make the changes you want. Then you can make changes manually by moving things around. You could adjust the spacing for each section by clicking and dragging on the up and down arrows that appear at the bottom right of any section. Finally, if there's anything that you want to appear in the desktop version but not the mobile version, or the other way around, you can control the visibility of individual elements and sections. For example, we can click on this section here, and then click on the eye icon, and then toggle off mobile visibility for this section. Now, if we click into our preview and scroll down the page, that entire section is now no longer visible for our mobile version.